Day 2 of cold starting this truck until it warms back up. And it's yesterday I was like 26. Today it is 17. 17 degrees cold start. Oh, I forgot the key line in here. How's the toolbox not covered over, but this is? I don't know. I got you touch y'all down. Give it a second for the... Someone did comment in my last video saying, don't pump, it's TBI. Let's test it out. Started. I want to see. I have not started it at all today. I do not like faking my content. Why is it not smoking? No clue. Alright. See y'all in the next one. Alright, so since I'm in the warm now, I'm gonna mention it now. What I'm gonna do is when it warms up next summer, what I'm gonna do is take the bed off, paint the frame, and do a fuel pump, and I'm gonna film that and show y'all how to do it. So, see y'all in the next video. Part 3 tomorrow morning, when part 3 hopefully. Bye. And one more thing, it's supposed to snow real bad tomorrow, so it might be actually tomorrow afternoon. But it might snow, might not, I don't know.